Welcome to When Nerds Learn to Fly.
Alright, looks like we're in a Chinese prison.
It's pretty dark.
It is very dark.
We did make it to Xian. Through all of the crazy on the trains and 2 days and I don't know what. And we're in a taxi on the way to Jano's Backpackers. Always an adventure.
Always.
Taxi was easy peasy.
Yeah. Coming straight out of the train station, it has directional signs that say taxi on them. And they have them all lined up. You end up going through a serpentine queue. The taxis just go around and they just load you onto one. Or pre-printed out the address for Jano's Backpackers and handed it to him.
In Pinion.
Seconds or so.
Mm-hmm.
You had it all figured out.
Away we went. We did have to go through the gauntlet of non-authorized taxi drivers, which you have at every airport or every
they're
train
usually
station.
there in leather jackets or something, and they're all taxi, 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 and you just smile and
shake your head.
Shake your head. At least look like you know what you're doing if you haven't ever gone through that before.
Yeah.
And to say, no.
I think that there probably would have been more non-authorized taxi drivers to get through. Again, if it wasn't this time of year, there's a huge military presence everywhere. At the train stations, before we left Lhasa, the military presence
is very evident.
That went pretty well. Yeah. It's just a little bit, it's by the meter and you don't have to negotiate and it doesn't get complicated. And as tired as we were, we've taken the non-authorized taxis before.
And sometimes the non-authorized, if you do it correctly, you can save some money. But it's not much. It cost 47 yuan, and I tipped him an additional 10, which I don't know if it's typical, but he was
weaving in and out of traffic,
doing his best to get us to Jano's as fast as he could, and I don't see how he could have done it any faster. Always an adventure.
Yeah, that's us.